So welcome back and welcome to episode 2. At this stage now we're going to try some stage 2 modifications, try some different end cans on the bike, see where the sound suppression comes from, see if we can make a little bit more power and make the bike sound a little bit better at the same time. So first things first, let's run the bike, see what it sounds like as standard. Let's get rid of the end can and let's see what difference that actually makes. Right, let's try that again. I wonder what the end can just on its own does. Right, I think we'll stop there. Let's get it back on the dyno, let's get it set up for that end can. Right, so an open end can obviously makes it sound better. As far as power is concerned, there's not really a huge amount in it. At the top end, it's pretty much within 1/10 of a horsepower to a stock can. There's a little bit to be gained lower down in the rev range. At about 8,000 RPM, we're a couple of horsepower up. There is a little bit of separation really all the way from 4,500 RPM all the way up to about 10,000 RPM. But it's small figures, it's one or 2 horsepower. But there is a slight separation. Stay tuned for the next episode. We're about to remove the cat, put a link pipe on it, see what that makes. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. It really does help us out and it keeps you notified of when the next episode's available.